Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add noise suppression to any web app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your access key from the Picovoice console and then download the model from the Koala Noise Suppression. I already have that downloaded. It should be a PB file. Next, you're going to want to create an index.html file. This can be in any folder you want. I've put it in a Koala Noise Suppression folder and then CD'd into it. Before we start with any code, we're going to have to install some dependencies. So the first thing you're going to want to do is run an npm init, which I've done already, and then install the web voice processor as well as Koala Web dependencies. Finally, you're going to want to install the HTTP server. This is going to help us run it out in the end, and download and prepare that Koala file that we just downloaded, the PV file. So what you're going to need to do is to create a JavaScript file from that model, and this will create it and convert it into a 64-base string. You just need to replace this downloaded part, and mine is in my downloads, so I'm just going to go into that right now. And that file has now been saved. All right, we can start with the code. So the first thing you're going to want to do is install those libraries that we just installed the dependencies from. And then you're going to want to create that start button and create some functions to process callback as well as error. Now you're going to want to create that instance of the Koala, and this is going to need your access key that we just got from the previous step. And finally, we're going to need to subscribe to the Koala worker to the voice web processor. And there we have it. Save this and run the code using this. Now we're going to go to the local host, and I'm going to inspect just so you can see what's going on and start Koala. And now you can see that while I'm speaking, it is recorded. Thank you for watching, and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.